Hi everyone, Julie here. I just want to talk about the navigation in the subject landing pages and how important it is to have clarity and how you can also redesign your navigation. So just looking at some examples to start with, this is a simple example from the School of Information Studies. This school uses an essential three-level template: subject information, subject resources, subject tools. And you can see the headings are quite simple: outline, announcements, learning modules, discussions, resources, etc. So very simple to understand and to navigate. This one is starting to add a little bit more information in. Once again, there is a three-section approach: subject information, subject study resources, subject study modules. There is a study schedule. This one calls it discussion forums. Be very clear what you're calling things so that people know what they're clicking on. Personal learning journal, subject resources. There's a link, external link there to BOSTES, chat room, etc. This subject coordinator has decided that every module will appear in the navigation line. And that's a choice to be made. It extends your navigation line, but it also adds for quick access to the module material. This final one here that I want to show you is quite different. It is delineated by dividers, but doesn't have subject headings as such. The links have extended information, so announcements, check out what's going on. Staff room, come in for a chat with colleagues, etc. So it's providing extra information for students. Resources, look in here for extra learning materials, etc., so that it's even clearer, what is going to happen when you click on these links. So I want to show you also how to edit your navigation. So this is one that I'm working with at the moment. So when you're in edit mode, you can hover your mouse over the plus sign there, and you can add different things. So for example, if I wanted to add a web link, and I'm just going to grab a web link that I want to use here. So here I am. I know you can't see all of this, but basically you add the name. I'm going to add the link to our blog and put the URL in. And if you want to keep it hidden for now, you can. Otherwise, tick available to users and submit. Now, when you add something, it always goes to the bottom of your navigation, but you can very easily put your mouse over and drag it up to wherever you want it. And I want it basically right up there. Now, I think I'll put in a divider underneath that one. So I'm going to go to my plus sign again, put in divider. Once again, it has gone down to the bottom. I will very quickly put it up there. And so now we start to get some delineation and design in the navigation. You can see I've got some subheadings already. Subheadings are easy. Up to the top again, subheader, you can put whatever you want. So say if I put test, you can see it there, it is down the bottom in bold. Now I don't want test, so I'm actually going to delete it. So you can see you can click on that downward facing arrow and there is a delete function which you may not be able to see in the window, but it's happening there. I'm just deleting that test. So you can see that things can be moved around wherever you want them to be moved, and then you have quite a few options. Just another one I want to show you here. Of course, you can add all of these other things, but tool link, you can see that there are a number of tools already available in Interact 2 that you can add a direct link from the navigation to very simply. And the last one I want to show you is this course link. Now this allows you to add anything that you've developed in the Interact 2 site straight onto the navigation. So if I browse, and just bring this over here so you can see it, I've developed a number of things for this sandpit. For example, the teacher presence video. If I wanted to put that right on the front page there, in the navigation I mean, and make it available to users, I can click submit. And there it is. The teacher presence video is now easily accessible from the navigation. That goes for anything that's been built inside the Interact 2 site, any of the modules, etc. That's the way you do it. Drop down box, course link. So I hope that helps you with your design and building of your navigation. Thanks everyone.